Over the past 8 months, Maggie and I have been travelling across the world and experiencing what the US, Canada, Fiji and New Zealand has to offer. This is what went down.
Heading on a jungle hike.
All of these places were so unique and incredible in their own way. We've seen some unreal landscapes and scenery. We've been able to learn about other cultures from the other side of the globe and see so much nature and wildlife. But what made it all truly unforgettable was the people. We made some really great friends in such a short space of time. These are the moments I'm most thankful for, and this is why I travel.